All right. Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. I'm here with Nunu, my buddy. We're going to close out this lesson. All right. So, the last thing I had you guys do was answer these drawing conclusion questions. Okay. So, the first one is, so what scale do we use for our planets? Well, remember we were talking about scales, and remember the scale is the distance from one place to another on your model. Okay, we used the scale of 1 millimeter equals 1,000 kilometers. Remember, we used that because that's what was going to allow our scale to be small enough to fit onto our paper. All right, question 2. Is it possible to make a model in our classroom, the same scale? The 1 millimeter is 1,000 kilometers, to actually show the distances between them. So, no, it would not be possible because the distances are too great. The model would be too large for the classroom. It's too far apart. I mean, our model is for the diameters, and you can see the diameters are thousands of kilometers. The moment that you go to millions, it would be massive. This alone, if we were to do with our current scale model, 58 million, that'd be 58 meters long. 58 meters. You know those meter sticks that you guys use on your poster that like help you draw straight lines and stuff in the classroom? 58 of those. You'd have to go all the way down the hall. Okay? And if you were to do the distance to Pluto, that's like 6 kilometers is what it would convert to. That is like a mile long. All right, so yeah, it's not practical. We'd have to change our scale. Okay. So question 3: scientists often make models of things to see how they work or to compare them. In the investigation, how did making a model of the planets help us compare them? Okay. Well, it made it so it was easier to see. They're easy to compare when you can see their relative sizes rather than just the numbers. So, I mean, we made our charts, and when you look at all these numbers, sure, you can look for patterns, right? You can see what numbers are smaller and what numbers are bigger and stuff like that. But when you actually draw it out on a model, you can visually see the size differences, which is what we wanted to do, right? We wanted to see the differences of the size of the planets, right? Last one. So, if you were to make a plan for a model that would show the distances between the planets, but not their sizes, describe your plan and what scale you would use. So, the best idea, is you want to make your unit of measurement an even greater distance. So, we currently have 1 millimeter equals 1,000 kilometers. You'd want to change this to 1 millimeter equals 1,000,000 kilometers. So you're taking your unit of measurement and you're just increasing the distance. So it would make something like this. So you wanted the distance between Mercury and the Sun, 58 million. If you have 1 millimeter equals 1,000,000 kilometers, you just do this. Boom, 58. Oh, the distance between Venus? There you go. Boom, be 108 millimeters. So that would allow you to fit it onto a paper so that it could be easier to see. All right, guys, you have a great day. You have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you Monday.